Today, President Trump declared the opioid crisis a nationwide public health emergency. It hits home in our area. In Palm Beach County, with 1.4 million people, only 23 beds are publicly funded for detox treatment for those suffering from addiction. Local leaders hoped when Governor Rick Scott declared a similar public health emergency, it would have increased that number. Instead, Palm Beach County saw cuts to funding for detox and treatment beds. News Channel 5's Michelle Casada is live now in Delray Beach with why local leaders don't believe the National Public Health Emergency Declaration today will offer any additional help locally. Michelle?
Well, Kelly, I'm told by city and county leaders that people sleep in the parking lot waiting for a bed at the Drug Abuse Foundation in Delray Beach. There are now less than 200 beds available to those without insurance and seeking treatment. And if the state or federal government doesn't step in, those numbers will likely continue to decrease.
It's no secret there is a huge private drug treatment industry in Palm Beach County, especially in Delray Beach. But when it comes to publicly funded options for those suffering from drug addiction, there's a waiting list.
They have people sleeping in their parking lots. You know, this isn't an epidemic where we're having to go out and search our way through the community to find people that want help.
Palm Beach County Commissioner Melissa McKinley told me there is a cry for help and a local government wanting to step in, but the resources aren't there. The Drug Abuse Foundation in Delray Beach has an average wait list of 3 weeks. It has less than 200 beds to offer substance abuse treatment to those without insurance or money to pay. She doesn't believe the national 90-day public health emergency declared to fight the opioid epidemic will help locally.
Doesn't look like there are any new dollars.
And Delray Beach's mayor is no longer optimistic of what could come from the state public health emergency declared in May.
We've gotten no resources from that declaration, and I'm not aware of any city in Palm Beach County that has received any tangible outcome from that state declaration.
President Trump said 64,000 people died of opioid-related overdoses in the country just last year, more than the number of American soldiers killed in the Vietnam War. In Palm Beach County, 485 have already died this year.
One person every 12 hours in Palm Beach County is dying from an opioid overdose.
Commissioner McKinley wrote to the governor asking him to extend the public health emergency, which is expected to expire next week. It only lasts 60 days. Now, the governor's office told me that he is committed to battling opioids and wants to spend more than $50 million on it next year. Reporting live in Delray Beach, Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.